Potato pancakes. Very few ingredients. Potato, onion, flour, and egg. As with most potato dishes, we start by peeling the potatoes. A peeler is the most efficient way. Peel the skin and cut away any damaged areas. Any potatoes can be used for potato pancakes. However, I like white potatoes. Ideally, we would be using freshly dug potatoes. Since we don't have any, store-bought potatoes will have to do. Keeping the potatoes in water as I peel them prevents them from turning brown. There's a few options when it comes to grating the potatoes. A food processor is a very good option and a quick one. I chose to use the grater as you get the best texture. I'm being very careful with my fingertips and I stop when it's no longer safe. I'll get rid of the small piece. Cut the ends off, score the outside of the onion, and peel the old skin away. We need a half of a small onion. I start by grating the entire onion and I stop halfway. This gives me a handle to hold on to. I use the leftover onion to scrape down the grater. Once we're done grating the potato and the onion, I start by adding the egg. Two tablespoons of flour. Mix everything well. The seasoning's very simple, as in most Polish dishes, salt and pepper to taste. After mixing it well, we are done with the batter. It's time to start frying the pancakes. Vegetable oil, canola oil, or any other type of oil will work here. The more oil, the better, but I usually stick around to 1/16 of an inch. I test the oil by frying up a small piece. When it sizzles, it's good to go. Pancakes can be made any size. For this size of a pan, a spoonful is just right. I keep the oil at a medium-high heat. I need the outsides to be crispy and the middle to be soft. I know it's time to flip them over when the edges get nice and crispy. And when both sides are crispy, I drain them on a paper towel. I repeat this process till all the pancakes are fried up. When I add the oil, I add it between batches and let it warm up before I pour the batter. I'm serving mine with some sour cream.